Hello, myself Ishita Manik Gade. I am studying in KKY Secondary School and Junior College, Saraswati Nagar, Nasik. Today I am going to perform a reflection activity based on the 5th chapter of Maths 1 Algebra, that is probability, which is guided by Monica teacher. Today I am going to perform two probability tests. First one is with coins and the second one is with the dice. So let's see what happens. Now the test of probability is with the dice. As we all know that the dice is of a cubic shape. A cubic shape contains 6 faces. Each faces contains some number of dots. So now this probability test is to identify what are the different possibilities of getting dots on the upper face. So let's get begin. Like this, we have to throw the dice to get the 6 different possibilities. So let's see what are those 6 different possibilities. The second probability test is with the coins. We have to toss a coin at once and then we have to see what will we get. As we all know that each coin had 2 faces, heads and tails. So now I will toss a coin to see what I will get. Yes, I had got tails. Now I will retoss the coin to get a different possibility. Here I had got the heads. If we toss 2 coins together, then we will get 4 possibilities. Here I will toss my first coin. I had got tails. The second, I had got tails. So the first possibility is tails, tails. Third time, here I had got tails. And here I had got heads. So the second possibility is heads, tails. Here I had got heads and heads. Third possibility is heads, heads. So now the fourth possibility. Here I had got tails and heads. So the fourth possibility is tails, heads. So we got the 4 possibilities. The first possibility is heads, 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 tails, tails, tails and tails, heads. So now I am going to solve a sum based on the probability test of the coins. So the sum is, if 2 coins are tossed, find the probability of the following events. First, getting at least one head. Solution: let S be the sample space. Then S is equal to H means heads and T means tails. So S is equal to HH, HT, TH and TT. Therefore, number of S is equal to 4. So let's solve the first event. Let A be the event where at least one head turns up. Then A is equal to HH, HT and TH. Therefore, number of A is equal to 3. Therefore, A is equal to 3 upon 4. The probability of A is 3 upon 4. Now the second event. Let B be the event where no head turns up. Then B is equal to T. Here number of B is equal to 1. Probability of B is equal to number of B upon number of S. Therefore, probability of B is equal to 1 upon 4. So, the final answer is getting at least one head. The probability is 3 upon 4, and getting no head, the probability is 1 upon 4.